Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm a bit late for my work. I have to walk a bit faster today. However, I've got a really good update actually for all of you guys who are watching the video, especially the students. So UK government has proposed an exit roadmap to end this lockdown, and that's what I want to tell in this video. I want to give you some specific dates that when all of the different sectors in the UK are reopening. But before I start with video, let me start it on a very positive note. That is, you can be really reassured that the UK lockdown is really coming to the end with no restriction at all. So this is really reassuring from this exit roadmap. So without further ado, let's talk about the specific dates on which the different sectors will be starting to reopen. So the very first important date is 8th of March. So from 8th of March onwards, all the schools and the colleges will be start to reopen. And as I said in my previous video, schools and colleges are always the #1 priority to open. And second thing which will be start to reopen from 8th of March is that university students who have got practical classes, they can go back to the university and complete their practical modules. For example, my course is a chemistry based course, and there's a lot of lab work, especially the STEM courses. I think most of them are lab based: physics, chemistry, all of these subjects are more of lab based. So all of our students, whoever have got the practical modules, they can go back to the university and carry on their lab work. So it is a really good news for the university students. And the other point from 8th of March is that now, for example, I'm staying in, let's say, this house, and my neighbor is staying in the other house over there. Now one person from each house can go outside and meet each other. So they can go outside for recreation activities such as having a cup of coffee or just going outside for a walk. So this can be happening from 8th of March onwards. So now moving on to the next important date. So the next important date is our 29th of March. So from 29th of March onwards, the stay-at-home order which the UK government has emphasized from last 1 year, it will be get removed. However, they still recommend to stay at home, but the official order will be getting removed, which is stay at home. And the other important point is that now 6 people can meet outside with each other. So as I said to you, like last time there were 2 houses, 1 person from each house can meet. Now there are up to 6 people who can meet outside for a walk or something like that. So this is like the important update from 29th of March onwards. Okay, I remember one more thing. Now the outdoor sports facilities can reopen. For example, you go outside for basketball training, football training, cricket training. All of these things can start to reopen from 29th of March onwards. Now moving on, I think there is again a train coming. Have a look. Always in the morning, right? That's it. So there are always like 1 or 2 trains always passing in the morning when I go. I think you guys always see it now. Okay, now let's go to the next date. These days are very important. Now next one is 12th of April. So now if we go outside of this tunnel as well, otherwise there will be a lot of echo. Let me take you in the tunnel as well today. Oh, very dark over here. So yes, now moving on to our next date, which is 12th of April. Now from 12th of April, this is really like most of sectors will start to reopen. First of all, your pubs and restaurants. Pubs and restaurants can start reopening for outdoor sitting. By outdoor sitting, I mean, for example, if there is a restaurant X, now they've got some outside space where they can put their tables and chairs outside and they can serve their customers. So they can now serve food, and also now they can serve alcohol, because alcohol was banned in the restaurant due to lockdown situation, and alcohol is something where the restaurants and the pubs make most of their profit. Now it is back allowed that they can serve alcohol with the meal by sitting outside. And the other update is that all the museums, zoos will be start to reopen back again. So I think these are just the 2 important updates which I had in this section. Now moving on to the next date. There's one more train coming over there. Okay, now let's straight away move on to our next important date, which is 17th of May. So it's very hard to remember all of these dates. So from 17th of May onwards, now as I said, the pubs and restaurants can start to reopen for the outdoor sittings. Now from 17th of May onwards, now they can open their indoor space as well. Indoor space I mean like normal sitting. They can have like waiters, bartenders back again in the restaurant. They can serve the customers inside sitting. This is a really good news for the students as well, because hospitality sector is the one where most of the students are employed. As I said, the hospitality sector led to loss of about 200,000 jobs. Now back again we can see that the hospitality sector will be start to revive, and especially for the students who are coming in September intake, I think it will be like better than currently to find a job as well. So I think there will be more opportunities in the September intake. So I think these are the very good updates which I had to share. And there's one more thing which I remember, which is starting from, again, it's very hard to remember dates, from 12th of April. So from 12th of April, there's one more thing, the gyms can start to reopen, gyms and spas, and even the hair salons can start to reopen. So for gyms, here I was like listening to an interview by Pure Gym owner, and he was talking about that during all of this pandemic, during the lockdown situation, they lost about 500,000 pounds. So that's a really, really huge amount. And Pure Gym, if you don't know, this is one of the biggest branches of gym in United Kingdom, and they are really, really affordable as well. So might be when you're coming to UK, you might be joining Pure Gym. So that gym led to like 500,000 loss due to the lockdown situation. So I think for most of the sectors, this exit roadmap is a good news. Now they have got a confirmed date. Okay, this date, this thing is opening. This date, this thing is opening. As my work location is coming nearer, let me straight away talk about the last date, which is 21st of June. So from 21st of June, the UK government has proposed that any restriction on the social contact will be removed. So what they're expecting is that they will be kind of eliminating all the restrictions due to COVID, like social contact, even social distancing. All of those things will be eliminated after 21st of June onwards. So you can automatically think people who are coming in September intake, let's say after June everything is back to normal, then you've got July, August, you've got still 2 months that all of these hospitality sectors can boom again, they can revive back again, and once you're coming you will be easily finding a job, or like just as normal as we live basically. So I think this is a really good exit roadmap for the students. So I think they should really look forward to this exit roadmap. So there are a few conditions as well. So the conditions are that if the cases are less, only then this exit roadmap will be applied. I think there are 4 conditions. I'll be putting a screenshot over here. You can have a look on all of these conditions. So if these all conditions are agreed at every stage, every date, then this exit roadmap is the one which the UK government will be following. So I think this is a really good, encouraging news for the students, and I hope that you find this video valuable. And also make sure to comment your feedback down below, and also what all things you want to watch next. Make sure to subscribe the channel, because last time I think it was 85% who haven't subscribed the channel. Now it has reduced to about 79%. So really a good, we are coming down there. So guys, subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching my videos. Bye, have a nice day ahead.